Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord CE2 device, and I'll be talking about my experience of exchanging the phones from the OnePlus website. The main reason why I did order from the OnePlus website is because of exchange offer which I did get slightly kind of more than the Amazon. Yes, exactly. For the same phone in the Amazon I was able to get like 11,000, and in the OnePlus website I did get about 15,000. So there's a huge difference, right? So that's the reason I thought of ordering from OnePlus website, and that's why my package got slightly delayed due to this blue dot courier. So there have been some network issues, I guess. So finally today I did receive my package, which is OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll be testing this phone for the next couple of days, obviously under my intense testing which I'll try to do. And this video I'll try to show you how is my experience of exchanging the phones from the OnePlus, because this is my first time ordering the phone from the OnePlus store, especially. Yes, exactly, from the OnePlus website. So let's get started, friends, without wasting any kind of time, and here we go. A OnePlus Nord CE2, and this is from the OnePlus store, which I did order exactly as I said. This is a package. These are the package exactly is, and let's see how is the experience as well. And this is my first time ordering from the OnePlus website as well, friends. So I'm really excited to see how the package will be there. So let's see. And one more quick note about the exchange process. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So you just need to download this application, which is the Catch-Fire Diagnostics from the Play Store. And once you download this application, you need to this application automatically tests everything in the old device, and you need to have the SIM card. So when you're trying to exchange, you need to have the SIM card in this device to perform all these diagnostics in your device. So once everything is done, definitely that will generate the QR code and everything. And your old device, they'll try to take it back in the blue dot. As you can clearly see, friends, in the blue dot, they'll try to take it back, the old phone. This is my old phone, and then they'll try to give you the new phone. So this is my process is exactly, and there is nothing much issues for me with the exchange, because usually what happens is that with me, all the phones I'll try to keep in very good condition. So everything will be in a good condition always. That's the reason I will not have any kind of issues with this kind of exchanging every time. So these are the package, friends, from the OnePlus. Let me try to unwrap this one. And this is going to be really special one as well, the OnePlus Nord CE2. You can see this unboxing, the OnePlus Nord CE2 finally. As you can see, friends, wow. So I've been waiting for this package for a pretty long time. I mean 2 to 3 days I'm waiting, and finally, because of this, I think blue dot courier delay issues, today finally it got delivered. And let's see, friends, how is the experience going to be there in the inside box, what are the contents, it will be there. And definitely I'll try to do the testing as well for the next couple of days, testing this out. So let me know in the comments what are other videos you want me to upload on this OnePlus Nord CE2. I mean, what are the other things you want me to test on this device regarding the camera or battery or the display. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are the things you want me to test. And finally is a OnePlus. So let's take a quick look at the unboxing. So what are the contents inside the box we'll be getting. So definitely, friends, this is just only normal unboxing. So I'll come back with another video as well. So doing on the OnePlus Nord 2 very soon. So then we can actually discuss more details. So let's see what are the contents which included in this case. Let's keep this knife a bit side. And we do have the case, so which is kind of really good. So which is a matte case, which is not the transparent case. That's kind of thing. And next in this box, we do have the SIM card removal pin. Along with that, some kind of cards. And let's see, is there any kind of stickers or not? Yes, there are some OnePlus Nord stickers and red cable as well. We did get some kind of card. And these are the quick things. Let me to keep everything side. So once we keep it side, and finally it is a look at the phone, OnePlus Nord CE2 device. So I'm really excited, friends, to use this OnePlus Nord CE2. How this phone gonna perform under my testing. That's what my main intention of ordering this OnePlus device especially. And next, inside the box, we do get the 65 watt SuperVOOC charger, 65 watt SuperVOOC, and we do have the cable. USB to Type-C. As you can clearly see, friends, these are the box contents which we can actually see in the OnePlus Nord device. And this is a quick unboxing experience of the OnePlus Nord device, just only unboxing experience. I'll definitely come back with another in-depth testing, friends. So I just want to let you know the main idea of making these unboxing videos is that so you guys do know that I got the device, and then you can actually comment under the videos, like what are the other videos you want me to upload on this OnePlus Nord 2. That's the main reason why I do upload this kind of unboxing experience videos. So let's do the unwrapping. So finally, as you can see, friends, is the OnePlus Nord CE2, which I've been waiting. Definitely, I'll try to do the in-depth testing as well in the OnePlus Nord 2. So stay tuned for more updates, friends, on this device and this exact color variant which I did order right now. And as I said, I do miss this kind of alert slider as well in this device. So don't worry, I'll try to test each and every aspect of this device regarding the OnePlus Nord CE device as well. And this is a 8GB and 128GB model which I did order. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. As I said, this is just only unboxing and experience. Again, I'll try to use this device for next couple of days, and I'll try to come back with a full review of the OnePlus Nord CE2. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.